Hello, guys. Welcome back. And today is another day of Five Nights at Freddy's 4. And today it's night 5, I think it was. Yep, it was night 5. Alright, let's I honestly forgot what was on. This is going to be fun. And it's fun. And it's only 6 times, not 5. Where is he? I heard him laugh. He's here somewhere. Well, yep, it's rigged. It's being rigged. It's supposed to be 6 that's rigged, not the 5th night. Where did bro go? The kitchen? We all know he can't cook. He probably gets Chica to cook for him. Even she probably wouldn't have better. Look! You know how the hip-hop. Don't act like yeah. Whoa, where are you? Thank you. You shouldn't already have a big goddamn laugh. Like what the frick, bro? Who said I got tiger? Yes, yeah. Alright, you guys just came up to watch. What's a SWAT? Anyone know what a SWAT is? Come on, it's not even a word. Bro, where are you? About time I thought I got it. Because I heard it last like 5 hours. Oh, alright. Not that just yet. But that's probably good. Because this game is good. I sometimes think that. I sometimes think that. Like that. Just because I'm something like 5 hours. Just that's close to it. Like, bro, you see something yellow, just close the goddamn door. It's honestly not that hard. Close the goddamn door. I hate when he does this. Where are you? God dang it! No, not. on, go to the country. Focus. You find that focus. I got to if I don't talk, not really talking. Brother, where are you? God dang it, 5 a.m. too. Alright, gotta use the goat. By that I mean the fan. Anyways. I hate how long it takes to go to back. Like, come on. Then the sensitivity was it's supposed to be the farther your hand is to the side, the faster it goes. But for some reason, it does not allow it to go that fast. Even though my hand is right on the freaking edge of the goddamn screen. Like, brother, what more do you want from me? It's going right at the end of the goddamn screen! I can't go any faster! It's slow turn. As if you're playing Fortnite against someone behind you and they're trying to flip farm. Or scripted. Yeah. Yep, hi bud. Alright. Seriously, again? Brother! You want to go to the closet? Hold up. That's not I think I've already. Yep. Well, that's the indicator of that's the last one. Was so close and yet so far. That's like always, but yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, you guys seem to love this one. The second one more than the first. But my first two ever shorts. Anyways. I don't want the trends. Actually, no, I gotta download the music. Oh! It's becoming way more males than females. Well, that's that. Where is the other 1% though? Where is the 1%? Brother, if they're not from that place, why the frick do you show that place? They ain't from Spain, I got it. Just don't give me Spain then. Bro. Anyways. Oh yeah, and thank you guys all for your support. I just like being goofy, so it's been fun to. Yeah, I have new games, you know. This one would be fun. This one. Baldi's Basics, I think I've already played multiple times. Well, anyways, see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed, you know what I'm about to say. And if you don't, just look back on the videos. And see you guys later. Yeah. Come on!